Hey everyone, I'm Nate.
And I'm Abby.
This little guy is Popeye. That's Amelia. I'm hungry too, girl. We're the RC Sailors. Welcome to our RC family. Today's going to be just a very quick little update. That's why it's not even the exclusive video for the day. It's a bonus video. It's actually because we missed one day.
We did miss one day, and this is us catching back up on
yes,
that missed
and
day.
it needs to happen anyway. So, a few things to talk about. First and foremost, we want to say thank you to some of you that have sent us gifts. Now, I made a big mistake. This doesn't happen. This kind of example doesn't happen very often, but it definitely happened, and I take full blame for it. We recorded a thank you video for the people that have sent us gifts that we didn't put on the channel yet. But I think I accidentally deleted that.
Yeah, we filmed it like almost 2 months ago.
Has it been that long?
Yeah.
Okay, well,
maybe
a month. Maybe a month. But I think when I transferred all the footage, I edited one video and I thought, okay, done. And I just deleted all of it at the same time. So I'm sorry. But a few of you have sent us things and I want to say thank you. Scott Furman, a friend of ours up in Michigan, sent us a very cute little outfit for Amelia, and that was awesome of you, and I want to say thanks.
And a lot of you guys sent us Christmas cards, and
a ton.
There was so many that we couldn't even go through them all, like to show you guys, but we read every one, and we appreciated every single one. It was just so nice. Very
nice of you guys, overwhelmingly nice. Also, we got a few outfits, like I think two outfits, pajamas and things for Amelia. But they came from Amazon. I think they were on our registry.
No.
No? Oh. There was no marking.
Yeah, I have no idea who sent them.
We have no idea. So to you mystery people, thank you very much. And then also Jan Whitley, you have sent us some very nice gifts, both for Amelia and for me and Abby. Gift cards, and we just can't thank you enough.
Yeah,
I'm so sorry that
she sent a ton of food gift cards. So that helps us so much when it's 7 o'clock. We've been busy all day and we don't know what's for dinner, so we can just run out and grab something really quick. Actually, he runs out and gets it while I stay home with her. Yeah. She also sent us an awesome Amazon gift card. And that has helped a lot, so thank you for that, Jan. She sent a gift that I would have never expected anybody to buy me. She sent Amelia a lava lamp, but it's glitter instead of lava. Cool. And I've been using that in her room since we lost the unboxing or thank you video of it all. And that's so nice. And she sent a couple safety items too for Amelia.
What we tend to do, and this is why we don't have the stuff in front of us, we maybe get a few things. We wait for a few things to show up, and then we do a video. And then after the video, we say, okay, now we can use that item. You know, we want to say, don't use that so we don't forget about it, and say, I want to say thanks for it. But now it's up in Amelia's room, it's plugged in.
And I hope I'm not missing anybody else.
If we did, we're so sorry.
That's everything.
This is just kind of a crazy time for us. Just thank you. I just had like a brain fart and deleted the footage. But also, Robert Hipp, a long time ago, sent us this little Sky Viper drone. And in that video, we reviewed this drone. But the long and short of it is,
it wouldn't take a charge.
Yes.
So we were only able to fly it on the factory charge.
Yes.
So now we can't charge it at all to fly it at all.
So that's a fun review. Sorry, Robert. And I don't think I have anything else that has that tiny little special adapter to charge that, at least on hand. I could probably search for one on eBay or something and buy it, but you sent us that and we're very grateful. But yeah, Sky Viper couldn't get this little guy to take a charge. So we did say that in that video, but we also flew for you guys.
For like 2 minutes.
About 2 minutes, yeah. Last but not least, actually one little bonus thing. So as you guys are watching this, I'll have to say it in the time that you'll be watching it. Last night is when this video was recorded. And last night I put 12 of these hats, brand new of course, on our eBay store, which we'll have linked in the description box below. We've been putting some of our RCs on there, and we're so grateful for you guys that have been buying them. It's very awesome of you, and we just had enough time. Glub, glub, glub. We just had enough time, Abby and I, to list 12 of these, and we only had enough boxes for 12 right now anyway, and we don't have a ton of them, so there might still be 12 on there. They might all be gone. I have no idea. I don't know who's going to want these. Right now we have international shipping off, but maybe on the next round we'll turn it on. I have no idea. Just letting you know they're on there. People have been asking about them for years. Maybe those people don't even watch our videos anymore. I have no idea. Last but not least, I want to address RCS Fest. Some of you have been asking about it, and our official update is that we're not doing it. There's a big reason for that, and I'll tell you why. We hosted it last year and we had a blast, and I think it was a success. I think everyone that came had a good time, and that's awesome. But also, we did one other event after that, an event. We just had a quick
meetup.
And everybody was invited. No one was not invited. We told everyone on YouTube, let's just meet up at the AMA field in Muncie. Let's just meet up at the AMA field in Muncie. And I tell you what, if we had 10 points of fun at RCS Fest, we had 100 points of fun at the AMA meetup. It was just way less stressful for us. We were just there as one of you guys.
And as a guest, too.
We were guests at this field, too. We were not just putting this thing on. You know, we had so many dots we had to connect to make RCS Fest happen, and we really only had 1 or 2 dots to connect to do this meetup at the AMA Muncie field. We've been re-invited to go back there, and we'd love to do that. We've been invited to go to so many events this year in 2019, and we want to make that happen. And if we host RCS Fest, that means we cannot go to any of those other events just because it takes so much time and so many resources to make RCS Fest happen. It will probably happen again.
You laughing?
Yeah. Today, Amelia laughed for the first time ever. We were tickling her. She actually laughed for the first time ever. It was so cool. She smiles a lot now. You need a hand? Had a good hand?
Sorry.
I don't even know what I was saying. But the events, we've been invited to go to so many events that we want to go to, and when we have these things set in stone, oh my goodness. We will tell you guys, we'll make a video announcing that we're going, hey, but some of them that are on our radar are things like Flight Fest again. We do want to try to go to the Horizon Hobby Fest, which is just like a weekend away from ours. That we missed that one last year. Mm-hmm. A lot of our friends actually told us that they wanted to go to the Horizon Hobby Fest. I think this is their 2nd annual year doing that, so it should be very exciting. They've invited us to go. I'm telling you, so many people have invited us to go to these events, and we want to do that because it's fun. We get to hang out with you more. We get to fly more instead of having to coordinate and have first aid kits handy and all that stuff. So we just want it to be about fun. And so for 2019, Abby and I want to have fun in the hobby, and to do that, we're just going to go to other events instead of hosting RCS Fest. So I cannot wait to see you guys, some of you at those events. Anyway, just some update stuff. Huge thanks to all of you that have sent stuff. This is the first time we've ever like deleted that.
Screwed up.
And it's all my fault. Just I'm calling maybe
it's
Daddy Brain. I don't know. Just deleted it. Just completely gone. So I'm so sorry about that. But thank you so much to those of you that have sent stuff. Ooh. Robert, thanks for the drone. I'm sorry it won't take a charge. And guys, we just cannot wait to see you at these RC events coming up in 2019. Thanks a lot for watching. See you in the next video.
Bye.
I can't wait till Amelia says that.
You gonna say that for mommy later? Say bye.
Yeah.